In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Fox Sports Kodi add-on on your FireStick so you can stream live sports and enjoy high-quality content directly on your TV. While Fox Sports isn't available in the official Kodi repository, you can still access it by using third-party repositories or installing it manually. Here's how you can do it. First, ensure your FireStick is ready by enabling Apps from Unknown Sources in the Developer Options under Settings. Next, go to the home screen of your FireStick, navigate to the search bar, and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app, as it will help you download and install the Fox Sports add-on. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL of a trusted third-party repository that hosts the Fox Sports add-on. Make sure to find a reputable source. After downloading the repository zip file, go to your Kodi app, navigate to Settings, then File Manager, and add the repository as a new source by entering the URL. Once the repository is added, go to the Add-ons Geeky Team section in Kodi. Click Install from Zip File and select the repository you just added. From there, browse the repository for the Fox Sports add-on, install it, and wait for the notification confirming the installation. After installation, return to the Kodi home screen, go to Add-ons, and launch the Fox Sports add-on to start streaming live sports events. If you encounter buffering issues, consider using a VPN to enhance your streaming speed and bypass geo restrictions that might block access to certain content. Additionally, make sure your FireStick and Kodi app are updated to the latest versions for optimal performance. That's it. You now know how to install and use the Fox Sports Kodi add-on on your FireStick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.